Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name is Matthew Kidman, and today we're talking microcaps, those horrible little companies that are under 100 million. We've got Mark Devcich from Pi Funds and Chris Stott from Wilson Asset Management. Mark, we'll start with you. Smart parking, telling us where to park, how much we should pay. Buy, hold or sell?
I think that's a sell, Matthew. Smart parking's never a company we've really considered seriously, and that's because it's been operating cash flow negative for a long period of time. In its last quarter, it moved into slight operating cash flow territory, but it's only got about $1.9 million cash at bank, and we think they're probably due another capital raise, so we think it's a sell.
Chris, buy, hold or sell, smart parking?
Agree with Mark. Sell, Matthew, for us. Still yet to get really good runs on the board in terms of cash flow, in terms of proving up that operating model, whether it works or not, particularly in the UK. Do note, however, that Chris Morris is the chairman. He's got obviously a great track record with computer shares. So that's something that we are watching from a distance, but a sell for now.
Okay, financials, everyone loves them. Trustee business, DIVERSA, buy, hold or sell?
DIVERSA is a hold. Very early days, market cap around 30 million. Really good business in terms of the space they exist in at the moment, quite a hot space. Hold for now, on a watching brief.
DIVERSA, you like that?
I agree with Chris, we're hold on that one. We do hold the company, we're purchasing it lower down. It's had a big run, 30% in the last month or so. We think that it needs to grow into that valuation where it currently is. Good business, good sticky customers, they don't move around. It's got the ability to move over some of its trust clients into more administration services, which provides a big revenue uplift, but it's a hold for now.
Okay, let's get into healthcare software. International business, even though it's small, ICS Global.
Yeah, so we own this. First of all, it's a buy. We own it. I think it's a great business, very small, micro, market cap's around 16 million. Predictable, recurring revenue streams, 100% based in the UK, and it's net cash balance sheet. It's going to make acquisitions. It's growing revenue 30% per annum, and a whole lot of that drops down to the bottom line, so definitely a buy.
Are you as bullish, Chris?
Buy, Matthew. Great cash flow business. Have moved. It's a great few years in terms of moving the business into operating cash flow positive. Well managed business. Clean balance sheet. Well managed. So buy for us.
Okay, give us a little gem. What's one you think in that very small area that we should have a close look at?
Southern Cross Electrical, SXE, market cap of 65 million. Last reported to have net cash of 45 million. Made 3.8 million after tax in the first half. So to us, it's extreme value, mining services, unloved, not well owned institutionally. We think that they've got a strong order book ahead of them for the next 1 to 2 years and a new CEO who's reinvigorating the business. So deep value play, mining services, unloved, ticks all our boxes, buy.
Okay, Mark, that's deep value. You like growth? Have you got a little gem?
Yeah, this one's slightly above the 100 mil market cap. It's called ADACEL Technologies. So great business. It's dominant in the US in terms of air traffic control simulators. It's also got a software business on the side that does air traffic management. It's had 4 profit upgrades in the last 12 months. We think there's further profit upgrades to come. It's got 10 mil net cash on the balance sheet, 100% US dollar earnings. And it's in a great space because the FAA in the US are going to spend a whole lot of money on air traffic control in the next few years.
So micros can grow into macros.